press the unlock button to release and pull out the water tank. Fill up the water directly inside the tank. Push in the tank until you hear the click. Switch the plug and you will hear a beep sound. Press the power button on the panel. The light will blink for 50 seconds for heating up before use. On the other hand, you can navigate the power button on the handle as well. 3 selection of mode can be selected on the panel and also using the handle. Trigger under the handle needs to be pressed to release the steam. Most fabric can be ironed either flat ironing or vertical steam. Add water indicator will light up if the water is below empty. Calc clean. Make sure to fill up the tank before use. Press and hold the setting button to activate the cleaning process. This cleaning procedure will take under 5 minutes. It will clean the hose pipe sole plate and filter. A beeping sound indicates the process is complete. If the iron is left unattended for 8 minutes, it will auto shut down. Once in 6 months or a year, it is suggested to change the anti-calc filter for optimal cleaning.